Hi, this is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping. We're out in Gun Lake, Michigan, and just want to do an update on our project here. We got the Gun Lake channel here. This is where the access, where all the boats come onto the lake. And this is going to be a raised fire pit area. We got a gas line here coming in, and then we've got our grill island coming in right here. We've got our gas stubbed up here, and then we've got a couple steps up, and up here we've got a large, about 800 square foot area. And we're just kind of finishing up our steps, and we've got an accent row coming in through here that we're working on. This is how our columns are going to finish off. We're going to have a light here and a light out here on each side. And then we've got this whole space here. Here there's going to be a big, large walkway going out to the water there. And we're going to have lighting in all of the columns and underneath all of the steps. And then this way, this is kind of the other side of it here. And we finally got a couple more columns here and just a little walk off there. So just wanted to give a quick update. So thanks for following us. This is Ryan with Platinum Ponds and Landscaping.